कौन सा मोबाइल? ठीक है तो ठीक है।
अरे आगे जाओ। चलो ट्राईपोर्ट पे चलो ना यार। फाइनेंशियल में हम लोग को बना के दो। पहले तो नीचे था बॉडी के लोग। मोबाइल ऊपर मत उठाना। किशन पहले बोल चलते इवेंट है
Hello, check.
आजा मीटिंग जैसा आजा आजा
बस
बड़ा बस 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 किस जाने गए और क्या करना यानी डायरेक्ट ताल में जाने का दूसरे ताल बुढ़ा ना
I'm waiting for the Facebook Live. Whenever you're ready to go, we'll be ready.
Going live in 2 minutes.
Cool.
केसेस का तुम लोग का हाँ
वो पता नहीं किधर।
Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone here, thank you for coming. And everyone watching on Facebook Live, tune in because tomorrow's going to be a very special night. It is a Matrix Fight Night 1. Mumbai Madness is going to go down. Today's the ceremonial weigh-ins, and we have Daniel Isaac, who's here from the GAMMAF, and he's going to present the fighters to you. So everyone, get ready. We're going to do this now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the ceremonial weigh-ins of Matrix Fight Night 1. We begin with the first bout. The weigh-ins for, from the red corner, Dhruv Chaudhary.
$65.90. Dhruv makes weight.
And in the blue corner, we have Pawan Goyal.
कैमरा घुमाना उधर कैमरा घुमा
66.19. Pawan makes weight. Fighters face off. Face forward. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, fighters, and all the best for your fight tomorrow. We're ready for the next bout.
67.74. Amit makes weight.
कटिंग बॉक्स है
And his opponent from Delhi, we have from the blue corner, Vijay Saini.
कैमरा घुमाना
68.13. Vijay makes way. Blue. Face off, guys. Face forward. Thanks, guys.
All the best, fighters, for your bout tomorrow. In the next bout, we have the fighter walking in from the red corner, Vikas Ruhil.
Step up, look straight. 65.45. Vikas makes weight.
Walking in from the blue corner, we have Rakesh Kumar.
Step up, look straight. 64.20. Rakesh makes weight. Face off, guys. Face forward. Face forward. Thanks, guys.
All the best for your bout tomorrow, fighters. In the next bout, walk.
Wait. Face off, fighters. Face forward. Thanks.
All the best for your bout, fighters. And before we close the ceremonial weigh-ins, I'd like to call upon some of the fighters to just share their views on what they plan on doing to their opponents tomorrow. So first I'm going to call on from the red corner, Dhruv, and from the blue corner, Pawan, will you please come up here and stand here? Fighters. I'm going to ask the first question. If any of you have any questions after that, you may go ahead. Dhruv, you've been training for this fight, preparing for a long time. You have a lot of experience in MMA. Pawan, you have a lot of experience coming in MMA. Both of you guys started your career almost together. Is there anything that you have to say to each other? Is there anything that you have to say to the press? Is there anything that you have to say?
अच्छा करना है और हर बार अच्छा करता हूँ। हार जीतने का ये मेरा पार्ट है। मैटर नहीं करता कि जीत या हार, बट मैटर करता है कि आप कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं और मैं अच्छा परफॉर्म करूँगा जितने फैंस हैं और फैन है और उम्मीद यही करता हूँ कि उनको मैं नाराज नहीं करूँगा और अच्छा करूँगा और ध्रुव के लिए कि ऑल द बेस्ट। बाकी रिंग में देखते हैं।
Hi guys, thanks Pawan, and I would like to thanks Aima, MFN, Aisha Shroff, Tiger Shroff. They are doing many things for us. They are giving a new platform for Indian fighters. So we are really lucky fighters to start this event with us. So thank you for all. And we both came for fight here out of ring. We are a friend. But you will see something new in the cage this time because this is a new promotion. It's called Matrix Fight Night. Thank you. Congratulations.
तो फाइटर्स, आप दोनों तो रिंग के बाहर या केज के बाहर आप दोस्त हो, लेकिन केज के अंदर तो कोई दोस्ती यारी तो नहीं होने वाला है।
देखिए हम एक अच्छे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है और ना ही हमने आप तक ऐसा किया है और देखिए रिंग के आउटसाइड जितने भी मैच है वो सब लोग एक अच्छे फ्रेंड्स एक फैमिली के नाम रहते हैं। पहले भी इतनी फाइट किया है बट हमें ना तो कभी कंप्रोमाइज़ किया और ना करेंगे। लड़ने आ रहे हैं और जो लोगों की उम्मीद है वो अच्छा करेंगे और कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि ये फिक्सिंग है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। असली खेल है, इसको अच्छे से खेलेंगे और अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे।
In the ring, you will see only on action. Thank you.
तो आप ध्रुव को नॉकआउट करेंगे, सबमिट करेंगे या 3 राउंड खेलेंगे उनके साथ?
देखिए मैं तो यही वो टाइम बताएगा कि 3 राउंड खेलूंगा या फर्स्ट राउंड में नॉकआउट, वो टाइम ही बताएगा, बाकी रिंग में देखेंगे।
Depend on the cage time. Thank you.
ठीक है यार, मैंने तो कोशिश किया, अभी फाइट देखेंगे। You have any questions, media?
No.
Alright fighters, thank you very much.
फर्स्ट ऑफ वेलकम ब्रदर भाई, आपका मेरे भाई सेकंड थिंग भाई, फाइट है, केज में मजा होगा, देखियो, ठीक है। और जहाँ तक फैंस की बात है, सब ने मेरा फाइट का, आ जाओ, बहुत मजा होगा, खेल लेंगे बढ़िया, टेंशन मत लो, देख लेंगे।
Thank you very much fighters. Next I'd like to call in Sachin and Raghavendra.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to congratulate Rajendra to be here as my opponent in Matrix Fight Night. Without him, probably this fight would have not been possible. So, today morning I was reading, like, you and your opponent are one in the ring, and you and your opponent will be one in the ring. Without your opponent, you are nothing, and your opponent is nothing without you. So basically, that's the respect I share with him. He has been a veteran in the sports, and he has done whatever he had to do, and he will do whatever he wants to do tomorrow. And after all the trainings and hard work I have been through, I will do whatever I want to do, and I'll put my will and heart in the fight, and I hope it will be a good fight for the fans.
Rajendra?
मैं अपने अपोनेंट की रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, बिकॉज ये भी अपना हार्ड वर्क करके आए हैं और काफ़ी पुराने प्लेयर हैं।
बैठ जाइए आप।
हम दोनों अपना जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो कल अपने फाइट में दिखाएंगे, तो उम्मीद है कि एक अच्छा शो होगा और एक अच्छी फाइट जाएगी।
Thank you very much fighters.
Thank you very much.
Pradeep Kumar, get up. Wrinkles, I'll let you guys stand close right here. Come a little closer.
थोड़ा पीछे ज़्यादा धूप आ रहा है, मारने वाले दुकान अरे उन लोगों को क्यों रखा है, सिर्फ फाइटर और उसको बोलना।
अरे तुम लोग को नहीं चाहिए ना, उन लोग ना उस कैमरा देखना, 5-6 कैमरा है, तुम लोग हाँ भाई हाँ उधर से मारना भाई, जो उसके लिए तो सब लोग थोड़े ना चेंज होएंगे, ठीक है नहीं, ऑलरेडी इन हाउस का है बहुत कैमरा इधर पे, ये बाजू आके मारना चाहिए ना भाई, उसको उधर से चाहिए। हाँ खड़ा
And before we take the final pictures, I'd like Alan and Krishna to say a few words to just give everybody a little encouragement and just brief everyone about the event.
I first want to say thank you all so much for being here today. I'm really looking forward to this event. These are, 14 of India's top fighters, so it's going to be nothing short of pure entertainment for all of you. Thank you. All the best to the fighters.
Thank you, press, for showing your love towards us, and we hope that you'll continue to shower your love on our promotion, on all these fighters. These are our homegrown superstars. We don't need to look to the West. India has got enough talent to be the best martial artists in the country and the world soon. So thank you for your support, and don't miss the fight exclusively live on the Facebook. These are the fighters to watch out for, heroes of today and tomorrow. Thank you.
Everybody face off, take a face. Are we good? Done? Alright, Krishna and Alan, would you step forward? I think the press would like to speak to you.
मेरा धूप है रे।
Okay, first of all, many congratulations.
Thank you so
And
much.
What did you say about Matrix Fight Night? It's started all of here. So what did you say about it and what's your feeling?
So we're all super excited, Matrix Fight Night is the launch of our new promotion, our new fight promotion in association with our gym MMA Matrix. Our goal with Matrix Fight Night is to just give our Indian fighters a platform, a larger platform to showcase their talent and their skills.
Okay, Krisha ma'am, how many categories are there for the weight? Today the weightings of all the participants. What are the categories?
So there's, Coach, do you want to answer this?
So there are about 5-6 different categories. हर एक फाइटर अलग-अलग वेट कैटेगरी में लड़ता है. तो हमने ज़्यादातर 60-61 से अबव कैटेगरी के फाइटर्स को यूज़ किया है. इंडिया में बहुत टाइप के फाइटर्स हैं, बहुत अलग अलग तरह के वेट कैटेगरीज हैं, और मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स एज अ स्पोर्ट इज़ ग्रोइंग इन इंडिया एज वेल एज अब्रॉड एज वेल. सो with Matrix Fight Night, what we're trying to achieve is give the Indian fighters, like Krishna said, give them a platform. Sportsmen को recognition नहीं होती है, और ये alternate sport है, ये cricket नहीं है, ये और कोई hockey नहीं है, ये proper combat sport है, mixed martial arts है. और आप real fights देखेंगे, आप WWE नहीं देखेंगे. ये fighters really training करते हैं और really fight करते हैं, so don't miss it.
Okay, Krisha ma'am, are you happy with the response you are getting from the audience after the launch?
Absolutely, I'm very happy. I'm thrilled. We're doing it at the NSCI Stadium at the Dome. It's a beautiful venue, and we're very excited to be hosting our closest friends, as well as a bunch of mixed martial arts enthusiasts and just the youth. We're hoping that the youth is inspired by watching all these fighters.
टाइगर भी बहुत ही फिट हैं. अगर मैं फिटनेस की बात करूँ तो क्या वो भी आने वाले हैं, वो भी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं ये फिटनेस?
Of course. This is, the launch of our promotion together. This is our passion. So he will definitely be there.
Okay, Krisha ma'am, do you think help this initiative, Tiger Show?
ये उनका टाइगर का और कृष्णा का सपना है जो साकार हो रहा है 12 मार्च को, तो प्लीज़ आप आएँ, वो भी आएंगे.
Okay, Krisha ma'am, do you think this martial arts should be promoted more as a self-defense for the girls?
Absolutely. I never shy away from saying that. Today, mixed martial arts is the fastest growing sport in the world. And especially with crime rates going up, I think it's very important to learn the discipline. I can only speak for myself. Ever since I've been practicing the sport, I've been feeling very confident, and it's definitely empowered me.
Okay, lastly,
फीमेल एक्टर को भी आपकी तरफ से, जो इंडियन एक्टर हैं फीमेल एक्टर, उन्हें भी आपकी तरफ से कुछ ट्रेनिंग देने वाले हैं, या इस तरह का कुछ कैंपेनिंग या इस तरह से कोई इनिशिएटिव स्टार्ट करने वाले होंगे आपकी तरफ से फीमेल एक्टर को, इस तरह से जो इंडियन एक्टर हैं उन्हें भी?
No, as of now, we've just started, we've started with our facility, MMA Matrix. So we just urge everyone to come in there and train and just be inspired and motivated.
ma'am, all participants come from different cities. Which city do they have?
The fighters?
Yeah.
So we have our 3 local guys who have been training at our gym for this entire training camp. On top of that, we have fighters flying in from Delhi and Bangalore.
Okay, Krisha ma'am, lastly, what would you like to say all the participants or anyone who wanted to be come into a martial arts?
I urge everyone to give martial arts a go, honestly. Like for me, ever since I started practicing it, I've never looked back. You feel so empowered, the drive, the discipline, and the focus mixed martial arts or martial arts gives you is like no other. So I urge everyone, especially women, to not shy away from it. Just give it a go, and trust me, you're not going to regret it.
Ma'am, last question. Your brother Tiger Shroff is now big actor in Bollywood. How you see this? He gets a lot of appreciation from the fans.
Yeah.
What do you want to say regarding that?
and उनकी फिल्म भी आने वाली है, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर भी आने वाली है, बागी का फिल्म भी आने वाला है. तो उनकी फिल्मों को लेकर कितनी एक्साइटेड रहती है एज एन सिस्टर?
Well, first of all, I will openly say I'm Tiger's biggest supporter. I'm extremely proud of my brother. What he's been able to achieve so quickly at such a fast pace is unheard of. I don't know anyone else that's been able to achieve what he has in such a short duration. So I'm extremely proud of him. And, he is my biggest inspiration. His films, I'm of course super excited. I don't watch many films, but I am the first one to go watch all Tiger Shroff films.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
One pose for any fighting pose for media के लिए.
All the visuals.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
1 second क्या तेरा
दत्ता साहब
Thank you.
थैंक यू
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.